In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bulk products in WooCommerce with the help of ChatGPT. If you've ever needed to upload multiple products to your online store, you know how time-consuming it can be to do this one by one. Luckily, there's a faster, smarter way to handle this using ChatGPT to create a CSV file and WooCommerce's built-in import feature. Whether you're managing a growing inventory or just getting started with your online store, this method will save you time and effort. So let's dive straight into the process. To begin, we'll start by opening ChatGPT. Once you're there, we need to provide ChatGPT with a specific prompt to generate our product data. In the chat box, type or paste the following. I want to bulk upload products to WooCommerce. Create a table for 5 sample products. Replace this with your actual product list with these exact columns: name, SKU, regular price, description, categories. Format the output as a code block in CSV format. Once you've entered this, hit enter, and ChatGPT will generate a CSV code block containing product data. The table it creates will include the columns we specified: name, SKU, regular price, description, and categories. Next, you'll want to highlight the entire CSV code block that ChatGPT generates and copy it. Make sure you include everything within the code block, as this will be the foundation for our product upload. Now open up a spreadsheet application. You can use either Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel for this step, whichever you're more comfortable with. Once the application is open, click on cell A1 and paste the copied CSV content. At this point, it's important to double-check that the data has been properly separated into columns. Each piece of information, like the product name, SKU, and price, should appear in its own column. If it's all bunched up in one column, you may need to adjust your paste settings or use a text-to-columns feature in Excel or Google Sheets. Once the data looks good, go to the File menu in your Spreadsheet application. From there, choose the Download option and select comma-separated values or CSV as the file format. Save this file with a simple recognizable name like upload.csv or bulk upload.csv. Make sure to save it somewhere easy to find, such as your desktop or a dedicated folder for WooCommerce uploads. With your CSV file ready, it's time to head over to your WordPress dashboard, log into your account, and once you've accessed the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Hover over the Products option, and from the expanded menu, click on All Products. At the top of the All Products page, you'll see a button labeled Import next to the Add New button. Click Import to open the WooCommerce Product Import tool. On this screen, you'll see a button that says Choose File. Click on it, navigate to where you saved your CSV file, select it, and then click Open. After selecting your file, click the blue Continue button to move to the column mapping screen. Here, WooCommerce will try to automatically match the columns in your CSV file to the appropriate fields in WooCommerce. For example, it should map the name column in your CSV to the name field in WooCommerce, the SKU column to the SKU field, and so on. Take a moment to verify that everything is mapped correctly. If something isn't matched properly, you can manually adjust it on the screen. Once you've confirmed that all the mappings are correct, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Run the Importer. WooCommerce will now begin processing your file and creating your products. This might take a moment, depending on how many products you're uploading. When the import is complete, WooCommerce will display a confirmation message. At this point, it's a good idea to double-check that all your products have been added successfully. Go back to the All Products page, and you should see your new products listed there, complete with their names, SKUs, prices, and other details. And that's it. You've just bulk uploaded products to WooCommerce using ChatGPT. It's a quick and efficient way to handle large inventories, and once you've done it a couple of times, it'll become second nature. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.